Good morning, students. So now start. I think miscellaneous exercise question number third is completed. Now start question number fourth. Question number fourth. Fourth is so that the following four conditions are equivalent. Four conditions are equivalent. And what is the condition? First condition is A subset B, and second A minus B is equal to phi. Third, A union B is equal to B, and fourth, A intersection B is equal to A. So that the following four conditions are equivalent, that is all are equal, means if we suppose A subset B, then A minus B is equal to phi. If A minus B is equal to phi, then A union B is equal to B. So that all are equivalent, that is first suppose, imply second, imply third, imply fourth. So both are equivalent means first, so that this first imply second. First imply second means suppose first is true, that is A subset B, then so that A minus B is equal to phi. So let A subset B, or since A subset B, first हम suppose कर रहे हैं A subset B means every element of set A belong in B. This imply every element of set A belong in B. And when every element of set A belong in set B, therefore A minus B is equal to, what is difference of two sets? A minus B, all the element of set A which is not belong in set B. So A minus B, since every element of set A belong in B, so there is no element in A which is belong in. Since there is no any other element in A which is not belong in B, all element of A belongs to B. So what is A minus B? Phi. A minus B is equal to phi, because here A lie inside the set B. So first imply second. Therefore first imply second. Now so that second imply third. Now so that second imply third. Second imply third means first we suppose A minus B is equal to phi, then suppose A union, then we prove that A union B is equal to B. So since A minus B is equal to phi, A minus B is equal to phi, this imply their difference is equal to phi. This means every element of set A belong in B. This imply every element of set A belong in B, and every element of set A belong in B, that is A is the subset of B, and when A is the subset of B, therefore A union B is equal to, since all element of set A belong in B, so therefore A union B is equal to B, because B is the superset. Every element of set A belong in B. So A union B is equal to B. So second imply third. Now so that third imply fourth. Now so that third imply fourth. Third imply fourth means since A union B is equal to B, what is third? Third is A union B is equal to B. Third imply fourth means third we suppose and prove that fourth. So A union B is equal to B given. When A union B is equal to B, this imply B is the superset of A. बिकॉज यूनियन में क्या होता है, दोनों का एलिमेंट को कंबाइंड फॉर्म में नोट करते हैं. आप दोनों सेट निकाल रहे हो, दोनों सेट का यूनियन, देन रिजल्टेंट सेट इज बी. देयरफॉर बी इज द सुपर सेट ऑफ ए. दिस इंप्लाई बी इज द सुपर सेट ऑफ ए. एंड व्हेन बी इज द सुपर सेट ऑफ ए, therefore A is the subset of B, and when A is the subset of B, so this imply A intersection B is equal to, that is common element. And what is common element? A, because A subset B. Now so that 4 imply first. Now so that fourth imply first. Fourth imply first. And fourth given, that is first we suppose. So since A intersection B is equal to A, we suppose, then so that A subset B. If A intersection B is equal to A, that is the common element, that is set A intersection B is equal to B. So every element of set A belong in B. Every element of set A belong in B, then their intersection is equal to A. So every element of A belong in B. So this imply every element of set A belong in B. So A is the subset of B. Therefore fourth imply first. So all conditions are equivalent. Next, question number 5. You read the question. First you read the question, what is given and what is to show. So question number 5, if A subset B, question number 5 is if A subset B, then that is so that C minus B is the subset of C minus A. C minus B is the subset of C minus A. Here so that they are subsets. So here so that C minus B is the subset of C minus A. So first suppose any element of C minus B. Let X be any element of C minus B. Here so that C minus B is the subset of C minus A. That is every element of C minus B belong in C minus A. So first we suppose X be any element of C minus B, and since C minus B is the difference of two sets, an element of C minus B belong in set C. So this imply X belong in C and that X does not belongs to B. आप इन दोनों सेट का डिफरेंस निकालोगे तो उस डिफरेंट सेट का जो एलिमेंट होगा ऑल आर बिलोंग इन सेट सी बट नॉट बिलोंग इन सेट बी. So x belongs to set C but x does not belongs to set B here, so that x belong in C minus B. Also given A subset B. A subset B means every element of set A belongs to B, that is B is the superset of set A and x does not belongs to B. So that x also not belong in set A. So this can written x belongs to C and x does not belongs to A, since A is the subset of B. B is the superset, bigger set. Bigger set में x नहीं है तो smaller में x कहाँ से होगा? So x not belongs to set A and x belongs to C and x not belongs to A. This imply x belongs to C minus A. C में है, A में नहीं है. अब x क्या सपोज किए थे? Since x belongs to C minus B, this imply x belongs to C minus A. Therefore, C minus B is the subset of C minus A. Proved. This is fifth question. Now question number sixth. Question number sixth is the one example, previous example. So question number 6 is a homework, and question number 7th is it true that for any sets A and B, P of A union P of B is equal to P of A union B? Justify your answer. Question is it true P of A union P of B is equal to P of A union B? Answer is no. Answer is no. Not true. Justify your answer. So we suppose A B any two sets. आप किसी टाइप का सेट सपोज कर लो, ए बी सी ए बी एनी टू सेट सपोज कर लो, कुछ भी सेट सपोज कीजिए. सेट ए इक्वल टू सपोज 1 2 3 एंड सेट बी इज इक्वल टू सपोज 2 4. देन फाइंड पी ऑफ ए. पी ऑफ ए also find A union B. So therefore A union B is equal to, that is combined all the elements, one और एलिमेंट और लेस कर दो, ज़्यादा लंबा चल जाएगा. सो सपोज सेट ए इज इक्वल टू 1 2 एंड सेट बी इज इक्वल टू 2 4. सो व्हाट इज यूनियन? 1 2 and 4. नाउ फाइंड P of A. So P of A that is all subsets of set A. So write all subsets. Write subset of set A. So first 5, next single element 2, next 1 2. This is power set of A. Now find power set of B. Power set of B. First 5, because 5 is the subset of any set. 5, next 2, next 4, next 2 4. This is power set of B. Now find power set of A union power set of B. So power set of A union power set of B is equal to, find its union. So combine all the elements. So first element 5, then next 1, next 2, then next 4, all the single elements हो गया, 2 already written. Then next 1 2, 1 2. Now find next element. So what is the remaining element? 1 2. Remaining element is 2 4. This is power set of A union power set of B. Now find power set of A union B. So power set of A union B. This is A union B, that its power sets. So first 5, next single element, 2, 3, then pair form. So 1 2, 1 3 also, 1 2, 1 4, next 2 4, pair form में हो गया. Now taking all the elements, 1 2 4. Now check that these two sets are equal. Check the element of these two sets. Since P of A union B belong in 1 4, 1 4 belong in P union B, but this 1 4 not belong in P of A union P of B. Since or many elements 1 4 belong in P of A union B, but this 1 4 does not belong in P of A union P of B. Therefore, P of A union P of B not is equal to P of A union B. So complete this question. Now question number 8. So read the question number 8. Question 8 is, so that for any sets A and B, here A is equal to A intersection B union A minus B, so that A is equal to A intersection B union A minus B. So first we suppose that set A is subset to this set, and second this set subset to A. Both are subset to each other. So A subset that set. First suppose X be any element of set A. Any element suppose किए. If we show that X belong in this set, then A is the subset of this. तो आप X belongs to A. Question is, here X belong in set A. Question is, X belong in set B or not? X belong in set B or not? X is the element of set A. Now question is, that X is the element of set B or not? तो आंसर इज मे और मे नॉट, बिलोंग कर भी सकता है, नहीं भी कर सकता है. सो दिस कैन रिटर्न X belongs to B or X does not belongs to B. That is, X may or may not in set B. So this can return X belongs to B or not, and or X does not belongs to B. And if X belongs to B, here X belongs to A also given. So this imply X belongs to B, X belongs to B, and X belongs to A also. So this can return X belongs to A intersection B, because X belongs to A and X belongs to B. So X belongs to A intersection B. Or X belongs to A but X does not belongs to B. So this can return X belongs to A minus B. X belongs to A minus B means X belongs to A but X not belong in B. This imply X belongs to A intersection B, or so this can return X belongs to A union B, or that is union A minus B, or that is union. and means intersection. So x belongs to A intersection B or that is union A minus B. आप x एलिमेंट किस में सपोज किए हो? सिंस x बिलोंग्स टू सेट A, बट x कहाँ बिलोंग कर गया? बट x बिलोंग इन A इंटरसेक्शन B यूनियन A minus B. x belong in this set. So set A is the subset of A intersection B union A minus B. Also subset at this symbol. Call it first. Now so that this set is subset to A, तो आप इस सेट में एलिमेंट सपोज करें. So now let y belongs to A intersection B union A minus B. So this implies y belongs to A intersection B or y belongs to A minus B union, that is our y belongs to A intersection B. This implies this can return y belongs to A. हमें क्या लाना है? This set is subset to A, that is so that y belong in set A, and here y belong in A intersection B. So y belong in both the set. So y belongs to A and also y belongs to B. हमें मतलब यहाँ पे क्या है? सेट A से. So y belongs to A और here y belongs to A minus B. This implies that y must belong in A. This is the element of set A but not B. So or y belongs to A. So y belongs to A or y belongs to A, that is y belongs to A. And since y element क्या suppose किए हैं? Since y belongs to A intersection B union A minus B, and this implies y belongs to A. So therefore A intersection B union A minus B is the subset of A. Call it second. So from 1 and 2, what is the? Here both are subset to each other. Both are subset. Here A subset this. So from 1 and 2, A is equal to A intersection B union A minus B. Proved. Similarly, second part. So remaining question you tried. Next question is homework. आप ट्राई करोगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, 10 ऐसे यू ट्राई क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 to 16. Question number 12 to 16 is homework. 12 to 16 is homework. You try it. And next class I discuss question number 9, 10 and 11. Okay.